everybody, my name is Cynthia, aka Cecil, and welcome back to Dance with BS Styles online street dance tutorials. Today we're going to be going over some party groups, specifically the roll. Let's get started. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Let's break down the mechanics of this group. So with the roll, let's start with the dissection of the upper body. You want to bring your chest up as if you're taking a deep breath in. Bring it up. Now let's bring it over to our left. Try to really just use your upper body, this part. Now let's go back as if somebody punched you in the stomach. And now let's go to our right, here. Let's do that again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4. Let's do that for one full 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me face the side view so you can get a side profile view. Let's do that again. One more 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now we're gonna speed it up a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the mechanics of it. That's the breakdown of this group. Eventually, we're gonna smooth it out and just start to roll. So when you do that, it'll look a little like this. Again, we're hitting every direction that we hit with the isolation, but now it's a smooth circle, a smooth roll. Let's try this slow together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! All right. Now a little bit faster. We're gonna do it in 2 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Let's do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all are pros. I see you're catching up. All right, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it with music. We're gonna do 1 8 count slow and 1 8 count fast. We're gonna face forward, I'll face back, and then I'll face forward again. Let's get to it. And there you have it, folks. This is your party group, the roll. Today we only explored our left side, but if you are ready and willing, you can also explore the right side and face different directions and really make it your own. Please check out our YouTube channel. We have many more dances and YouTube videos for you to see. Keep growing in this dance, keep learning. If you want to follow us on social media, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram at VersatileLA. If you want to keep up with me, you can find me at CEH_94. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I will catch y'all soon. Peace.